there you guys, it is me, Random Josh, and I am back again with another Face Mask Friday. And today we're going to be reviewing the Sanctuary Thermal Detox Mask. Had to read it then. So I saw this and I thought, what better way to start this year than with a nice thermal detox. So I got this mask from Boots. It's actually a 5-minute mask, which is really quick. So this is perfect for if you're on the go and you just need something to quickly pick you up. And especially, like I say, after the new year craziness, this is a great way to start your year and detox away all of that crap and just really pick yourself back up and get ready for 2018. So yeah, this has charcoal in it and all of the good stuffs. Kaolin clay as well. So you have to cleanse your skin thoroughly to remove makeup, leave your skin damp, massage a thin layer of the mask over the face and neck, enjoy the warming experience and allow to cool naturally while you relax for 5 minutes. Rinse off with warm water or using a cloth. Pat dry and follow with your favourite Sanctuary Spa facial oil or moisturiser. Use 2 to 3 times a week, and that is literally it. So obviously I don't actually have a Sanctuary Spa facial oil or moisturiser, so I'm just gonna, you know, do whatever moisturiser I've got, which I think is the simple one, which I use like all the time. But yeah, so I'm gonna quickly cleanse my face now, and then we're gonna give this bad boy a good little go. Alright there, so I've just cleansed my face and I've left it a little bit damp, not too damp, but a little bit damp. And so let's open this. I can't really smell it. I don't know if I'm just like having one of those days where you have like a blocked nose. Oh, that's very runny. I think that's not actually the mask, but that's just like, you know, like the liquid that comes with the mask. It is still surprisingly runny, but I don't know how well you can see this. I don't know how that's helping, but you know. But like, yeah. Oh well. Let's just rub this gel weirdness all over my face. Okay, there you go. So I've just worked that all over my skin, so yeah. Obviously you are going to get it all over your hands because you kind of need to massage it in, because that's where the heat really builds up and draws everything out and you can feel it and it's gorgeous. It's not like a extremely hot feeling, but it's more of a nice warm feeling, especially in these cold days. This is so nice. And I can smell it a little bit more now. And it doesn't smell overly potent actually. It smells quite nice, not like floral or fragrant, but it just smells natural, which is really nice. But anyway, so I'm going to leave this for the next 5 minutes and then we're going to see what it happens really. So yeah. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this camera. Wish me luck. Okay there, so it has been just a little bit over 5 minutes I'd say. It has cooled down quite a little bit, though it is still a little bit warming, but I think it's about time that I take this off. So of course it's not really dried at all. It is still very wet, but that is how these masks are meant to be. But yeah, so I'm going to quickly rinse this off now and let you know how I feel. Okay there, so we are all cleaned off now and let's kind of just feel around. Wow, it feels really, really smooth. And I mean, generally, when I was washing it off, I was like, actually, this feels really nice, you know? My skin feels really good. Like, this is without even touching my skin because I was using a cloth. But wow. From 5 minutes, like, that doesn't feel like it would do a huge deal, but like, that did feel really, really nice and really soothing as well. Another thing to note is that actually that was really easy to wash off. Like, usually you're sitting there scrubbing for a while, but it just, I guess because it's not fully dried into your skin and all crusty and gross, it just wipes straight off. It's gorgeous. So, overall, would I recommend this to you guys at home? Yes, I bloody well would. This, honestly, is for all skin types as well, guys, just to let you know that. Throw that out there. Always test your face masks before you use them, because often, you know, you might get a reaction or things like that. So this is really good, but definitely test it just in case. But yeah, just find your local drugstore, whether it's Boots, Superdrug, I don't know, American ones, I'm trying to think of them now. I don't know, Target or some Walmart, Walgreens, I don't know, whatever has things like this. Go and find it. Sanctuary, Spa, Covent Garden. So this is actually mainly in London, I think. I don't know if they actually sell overseas and things like that, but definitely go and find this because this is really nice. It really does cleanse the face though. Like, my face feels really good right now. So I'm gonna pop some moisturizer on, and I've got to go and walk my dog now. So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to check out some of my other videos. If you enjoy face masks, every Friday I post a face mask review or anything beauty related. So make sure you come back every Friday for that, and Mondays for my Random Monday videos. But anyway, like I say, I will see each and every one of you in the next video. Peace out, bitches.